I'm so sorry that the last 9 months I kind of have been gone. I had a lot of things hit me in the last year, and it got pretty terrible for a while there. And I just didn't have any extra energy to put out into the universe with the videos. And honestly, I was pretty much not on any sort of social media platform at all. So I'm back. I'm got a little bit more stability in my life. The crazy has come down a little bit, and I just want to say I'm sorry, and I appreciate your patience while I took some time to take care of myself and my family. Moving on, I have some really great ideas moving forward for 2022. So I would love to start doing challenges of the week again, maybe one a week rather than five, because it got a little crazy last year, right? But it was fun, and I think everybody enjoyed that. I have been taking a lot of photos from my local Humane Society, and I have a video ready for you guys breaking that down so that you guys can have a little bit of pet photography ideas and that. I would love to do some adventure things and get out and try some new stuff in the Midwest. I am now still in the Midwest. I was not supposed to be, so that's a new thing for me. So let's go out and appreciate it and really have some fun here. Also, if you guys are interested, I am doing live in-person workshops again. Currently, they're just outside of Kansas City. I plan on going to some other locations in that as well as the year progresses. Also, I was thinking about live online. We did that when the whole craziness was happening, and they were really successful and really fun. So if that's something that you're interested in, please comment below. In fact, comment below what you're interested in learning, because that's the fun part for me, right? The breaking it down, the figuring it out, the working it out so that we can all grow with our skills and as artists together. And I really miss that, and I've really missed the interaction with you guys. So this is a short video, but I just wanted to come back and say, I'm back. I appreciate your support and your patience. And I would love for you to give me some feedback on what videos you're looking forward to and what questions you have about photography and about your camera, and what kind of fun can we have this year. So thank you so much for the support, and I'll look forward to reading your comments. See you guys soon. At least one video a week, I promise. Bye.